What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I just launched out of New Maloney's Settletown and just letting the boat warm up, trying to get a game plan going. We just had a pretty good rainstorm come in. It's freezing out here. I haven't been uploading videos, been pretty busy because of my work schedule, but hey, decided to get out here. I know it's going to be a tough day. A little stuffed up today, but we're trying to put something together. We don't know I got a bunch of rods here, so see if we can get a reaction bite, something on the ground. Just going real slow, just dragging on the ground or something. I'm down for anything, just some fish. Just let's not get skunked today, guys. All right, let's get to it. There we go. First fish of the day. This one seems like a good one, guys. Whew. He's dogging me right now. Ooh. Ooh, this guy's dogging me. Come on. Yeah, this is gonna be a net, guys. This is gonna be a good one. Oh man, that's a nice spot, guys. Oh, nice. Woo. That is a good spot. He's blind. Dude, long spot. It's got a bad eye, good eye, one good eye. Heck yeah, let's go. That's a nice size, good start. There he goes. Okay guys, little update. It's been pretty slow. I only caught that one. Haven't got another bite. Kind of hard finding fish. Just fishing this little this point right now. This side, I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. I just know right now you gotta really just dead stick it. You know, these fish really just want to not move. I mean, that's what's expected after this rain, but hopefully we can find some more active fish. You know, it's always it. Stay tuned. Second fish of the day. Caught him around 46 feet. Changed the color up, not a big one, but got fish. Slow, but we're doing work. There you go, third fish. Yeah. Good spot. Fat spot. Little fatty. Look at that. Look at how fat he is. That is a tummy. Third fish. Fishing this like pouring right here. Threw it in 30 feet. Hit on the fall. There we go. Yeah. All right, guys. Number 4. Just dragging on the bottom again. Chunky little spot. Go. There we go. Another fish. Ooh. So it might be a good one. Oh yeah. There you go. Nice spot. That. There you go, guys. Nice spot. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Marked a lot of fish shallow, you know, but you know, I was pretty much dead sticking the whole time. You know, they're pretty cold. but you know, I was tossing the spinner bait, threw a jig, no bites on that, no chasers. Pretty much the little turd was the deal today, and nothing too big except for the one this morning. But hey, it was fun, and let's get out next time, so stay tuned.